to Gammie's Bedtime Stories. I'm Gammie, and I'm so happy that you could join me tonight for story time. And welcome if you are new. I'm so happy to have you here. I hope you've been having a wonderful week wherever you've been. If you've been at Grandma's house or with Mom at home, just having a good time enjoying this summer. Tonight's story is going to be all about some trucks and machines that do specific little tasks that only they can do. You might even see some of them when you're riding around with Mom and Dad. So without further ado, let's get right on into our story. Permission for our reading tonight has come from Little Hippo Books, and you can go over to littlehippobooks.com and check out their books. They have such a wonderful selection of books. I love their books. And so the name of our story tonight, boys and girls, is Construction Site Friends. A bulldozer is what I am. I'm used for this and that. I move soil and smooth roads, and I knock buildings down flat. Look out there. Have you ever seen a bulldozer, boys and girls? They have all different kinds, but I love watching the great big ones. And they can knock anything down flat. They sure can. I'm a dump truck. Fill me up with garbage, dirt, or sand. I'll tip it out anywhere you like. I am always in demand. See, these dump trucks, they carry things like gravel, rock, dirt, mulch, anything like that, garbage. There are all kinds of things the dump trucks do. These are probably the ones that we see most often on the roads when we're out and about. But they all have very special tasks, very special jobs that just they can do. Look at him. He's tall. He is really tall. I'm a crane. I'm super strong. I lift things way up in the air. When you need something heavy moved, then you just trust me. I'll be right there. Looky there. He's got that big old box way up in the sky. They can lift things, oh my goodness, very, very high. Cement trucks like to stir things up. My mixer, well, it works like a treat. You add water, you add gravel, you add sand, and cement. Well, now you have concrete. You probably might have seen some of these cement trucks out on the roads too, boys and girls. Their little barrel here, it's turning constantly. And it's fun to watch. Gammie loves to watch them when I see them out on the road, that little barrel in there just a-turning. Well, I'm a forklift. I know I'm smaller than the rest, but I can move all sorts of things. I'm sure you'll be impressed. There he is. I always think when I see a forklift, Gammie always thinks of the ones in movies sometimes that have little forklifts like that. They're so fun. Well, Gammie hopes that you enjoyed our story tonight. Construction Site Friends. These are just a few of them, and some of them that we see on the roads and see around, maybe in our neighborhood. They have special talents that they do and that are very necessary, very important things to do. And so if you enjoyed our story tonight, Gammie would love it if you would give me a big thumbs up, like, share, subscribe, and I would appreciate that so very much. Gammie loves having you come back and read. I love reading to you, and I hope that you enjoy listening to the stories just as much as Gammie loves read them to you. And until story time again, boys and girls, God bless you all and sweet dreams. Bye-bye.